Guys, thank you so much for reaching out back to my channel again. I really appreciate it. My name is Boss Kirk. If it's the first time watching this channel and never met me, I travel around the world to lots of interesting places to encourage tourists to travel. And yes guys, today I'm going to be traveling the taxi, guys. Yeah, and we're going to be going to our apartment here at D-Mac. Yeah. Yes, we're going to be going to our apartment. So it was the apartment we was telling you about, guys, in that video. Right. We remember we said we left the apartment and then we are going to go and have a look at the new apartment. So finally now, guys, the time has arrived. And yes, let us go to this new apartment and have a look at it, you know. So the taxi is already over there, guys. The taxi is already over there. And I am ready to go, guys. So thank you so much and let us get into this video. Okay, guys, we are rushing quickly to the taxi. We need to get the taxis here. Taxis over here, guys. Okay, this is where, okay, we're going in this one, eh? Yeah? This is the taxi we're getting, eh? Yes. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, man. And also the bag, yeah, sure, guys. Thank you so much. Yes, guys. We're gonna ride the taxi. Yeah, that's it. Alright. Alright, D-Mac will go in the front, yeah? Alright. Come on today. Yeah. I should go around it. Still in the taxi, you know. Yes, finally we're in the taxi, and yes, we're still on our way to the apartment, our new apartment. I'll see you in a bit, guys. I've just arrived at the apartment, but this is just the downstairs we are at the moment. Yeah, this is just the downstairs. I think this is the reception area. So that's the area, yeah, the reception area where you can come and chill. It's very nice. It's got big TV screen here as well, guys. You know, wow, I love it. It's very, very nice, you know. The front of the apartment, you know, and we got the front out there. Oh, hi, is that for me, tea? No? Turkish tea, yeah? Oh, very nice, you know. Yeah. This guy, she's so happy, very friendly and smiling. Oh, and oh, okay, so this is the swimming pool. That's the swimming pool we have over here as well, guys, you know. It's over this side. So the front, this is the front part, the area where they sit. So these are all the chairs and right at the front. And over there is the swimming pool. There's people over there. Yeah, that's the swimming pool over there. I don't want to show too much of that, but anyway. Yeah, someone left our goggles on the floor. It's a big area, and and this is the front part of the apartment as well. Look at that. So, wow. Okay then, guys, this is definitely 100% better than the first room, guys, as it stands. But this is only on the outside. There's better swimming pool. You know, they got the overhead umbrella. They got everything out here, guys. You know, so this is definitely, as it stands, I'll say, it's definitely better than the first apartment. And also got water slide over that side as well, guys. So that is very, very interesting. Yes, I will take a little sigh after. Why not? Why not? Yes. Yeah. So anyway, we need to go to the reception now, and we're going to check in. Yeah, we need to check ourselves in. So There's nobody here at the reception at the moment. Anybody at the reception to check us in?
Yeah.
Oh, is that guy? Okay, I need to check us in. Okay. Finally, I've just arrived upstairs, and you know, just one thing to tell you quickly, guys. You know, I'm very happy with this room. Very happy. And the name of this apartment is Syria Apartment, guys. So, yes, as you see it on the outside, this is the name of the apartment, and I'm very happy with this apartment. So it's time to now give you a tour of this room now, guys. Let you see how it's a lot better than the other one I stay in, and have a look at this, guys. I'm really, really happy, and 100% I will recommend this one to you guys. So anyway, let's show you around the room. So there you go, guys. You see, because I'm staying here, you know, with my other content creator, which is DMAC 4K World Tour. So I'm staying here with him. So his bed is going to be on the left, and that's where I'm going to be staying, in this room. So it's really, really nice. You know, look at that. You know, the air con is more up to standard. The light is more up to standard. And the only difference in this room, we don't have the balcony on this side, but we don't need the balcony, to be honest with you. We don't need it. Yes, we don't need the balcony. That's okay. We already got balcony on the outside. And let's have a look at the bathroom. You know how I always go in here and show the bathroom. So the shower, look, we got a power shower as well. See, look at that. There's a power shower there, and there's another power shower down there. So yeah, good sink. It have air dryer if you want to wash your hair. You know, it's very good. And me again in the mirror. Hello. Yeah. The sink as well, it's really, really nice, you know, and they got very nice toilet as well, which is really, really nice. And better door as well. The door is a lot better on this apartment. So yes, for sure, I'm very happy with this apartment, you know. For sure, I'm definitely staying in this apartment. And then this is the kitchen as well. It's got a kitchen, got a fridge. The kitchen is a lot better. The kettle is a lot better. Let's open the cupboard and see what we got inside. And look as well, better pots, better plates. Yep, this is more like it. This is definitely more like it. I can't argue with that, you know? And let's look in this side as well. Okay, there's nothing in this side. Okay, we got electric cooker. It would have been better if we have a gas cooker. And that's the sink. That is the sink part anyway. And then this is the table. Yeah, that's the table. So we're just moving, guys. We're just literally moving the apartment here, which you can see our suitcases. DMAC is, Mr. DMAC is hot.
Yeah, man, it's hot.
Yes, on a hot, man. I know. It's like fire, you know?
Yeah, too.
Yeah, so there you go, guys. So that's more like it. We have a little TV screen. We got our settee here. What's going on TV? Hello, say hello. Say hello to them. Yeah, hello to my fans, yeah. And the settee is over this side as well. Yeah, so this is a nice area. This is more like it. And oh, the balcony to share with you as well. I've got the balcony to share with you guys. You look out here, and then now I can show you a better shot of the swimming pool. So I was showing you over that side earlier, guys, before I took you upstairs to our room. So yeah. So this is the view that we get from out here. And if it's any music playing as well, just to let you know, I don't own that music YouTube. Yeah, and look at the view, guys. The view and everything is fantastic. The view is fantastic. You can't ask for any better. And let's have a look over this side as well. Look at that. You cannot ask for any better. You can't ask for any better. At that, you know, I love it. Look at the balcony. It's very spaceful, guys, you know. So anyway, we do have chairs inside here we can use. You know, there'll be chairs we can use in here. So yeah, so nighttime is nice to sit out here, and we have a light up here as well, guys, so we can sit out here at nighttime. So we can sit down, have a talk, you know, have a few drinks, you know. Yeah. So this place for sure, guys, I would have definitely recommend this place to come, you know. I've got a towel with me, guys, because here in Turkey it's very, very hot, and today it's 46 today, guys. It's really hot. It's hotter than before. In my next video was something like around maybe 42, and today is 46. And look over there as well, guys, you see? So our flag is blowing, our Turkish flag over there is blowing. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. This is where I'm going to be wrapping it up for today here in Sierra apartment. We're going to be wrapping up the vlog, guys. Thank you so much. I really hope you did enjoy that lovely swimming pool. I really hope you enjoyed the lovely, beautiful water slide that goes down, guys. Really hope you enjoyed that, guys. You know, and the apartment as well, the outside is fantastic, guys. I really hope you enjoy all the beautiful views from outside. You know, it's all beautiful. That swimming pool is just woo. But anyway, guys, don't forget as well, guys, to go and check out DMOC 4K World Tour. As it appeared on the screen, that is his channel. I'm going to put his link into also the description. Thank you so much, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the bell so you don't miss a video. You'll be the first to be notified when I put a video. Thank you so much, guys, and I'm signing out from the beautiful Marmaris here in Turkey. God bless you all.